There's Sophie, having a nice fall morning swim. It's so beautiful up here this weekend. And it's so quiet. Good girl. Good girl. That a girl, yes. Here. Hold. Out. Good girl, yes. You want another one? Okay, heel. Heel. Sit. Sit. Fetch. It's so hard to see. Let's see if she can find it. Ah, good girl, you found it. Good girl! Good girl, hold. Here. Good girl. Out. Shake. That's a good girl. Yes, good. Oh. Good girl.